Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to change the page size for a Power BI page. So let's start. I've got this file here with me. I'll also upload this file to GitHub and leave a link in the video notes, but you can use any file to do this with me. So let's say I want to change the page size. So you don't select any visual. With the page selected, just select anywhere else and then you go to the formatting tab. And you can see it's giving you multiple options, and to change the page size you basically click on the page size option. And by default it is 16 to 9 ratio. You can change that ratio, so you can set it to 4:3, and you can see that the page looks a little different. Let me toggle back again. So you can set up as a letter option as well, so which is a different view, and you can explore the other options as well. You can also make it custom, where it gives you the option to change the pixel size. So for example, I could increase the width to maybe 1000 and or maybe 1500. So this is an interesting option. We'll also explore this further when we talk about attaching a page to a dashboard in Power BI service, and I'll take that up as a separate video. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.